What if I told you that working less could make you more money? Would you believe it? It sounds like a dream, but it's a reality for many successful people today. Most of us are trapped in the mindset that the more hours we put in, the more money we make. But despite long hours, many still struggle to see significant reward or changes in their financial life. The grind feels endless and the burnout is just around the corner. But what if there's a better way? In this video, I will share 5 proven strategies that can help you work less and make more money. These are strategies that successful entrepreneurs and professionals use to maximize their income while minimizing their time spent working. Let's talk about it. Number 1. Put yourself in the right room. Value is not just about your skill set, it's often where you apply those skills. I have friends who were stuck in a job where they were seriously undervalued and underpaid. They did work late, take an extra project, and still it felt like no one noticed. Suddenly, they switched companies, same skill, and boom, they were making 30% more, almost overnight. It's like going from playing in the local leagues to the big leagues just by changing field. The right environment can totally transform how your work is valued. So why stick around where your efforts go unnoticed? Sometimes it's just about finding the place where your talents shine the brightest. My friend Sarah, a talented graphic designer, worked for a small company where her skills were unappreciated. Despite her hard work, she wasn't seeing the financial reward she deserved. She decided to explore opportunities in a larger agency known for valuing and paying well for design talent. Almost immediately, her career took off. The new environment recognized her worth and paid her accordingly, demonstrating how critical it is to position yourself in the room where your skills are truly valued. And at number 2, focus on value over hours. Rather than trading time for money, look for avenues and ways to create scalable and automated income streams. This means finding opportunities to leverage your skills in ways that reach broader audience without becoming constrained by the number of hours you work. Consider a personal trainer who traditionally works one-on-one with clients. By transitioning to creating a fit app or an online workout program, he can reach out thousands of users without being limited by his time. This shift from time-based income to scalable income allows for unlimited growth potential and a higher earning without additional time investment. And at number 3, prioritize tasks with the 80-20 principle. The Pareto principle suggests that 20% of your efforts generates 80% of your results. This principle is about identifying and focusing on the few tasks that yield the most significant outcome in your life. By zeroing in on these high-impact activities, you can achieve more with less effort and time. Michael owns a laundry shop. Initially, he offered a wide range of services from basic washing to intricate dry cleaning and specialty garment care. He was overwhelmed by the variety and struggled to see significant profits. After analyzing his business, Michael discovered that 80% of his revenue came from just a few high-demand services like wash and fold and express cleaning. By focusing on these popular services and streamlining or discontinuing less profitable options, he was able to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and increase his overall productivity. In your work, life, or business, identify the key activities or products that generate the most value and concentrate on them. Build yourself a personal brand at number 4. Building a strong personal brand can differentiate you from others in your field and create additional income opportunities. Your personal brand is how you present yourself and your expertise to the world. And a well-established brand can attract high-paying clients, speaking engagements, or other lucrative opportunities. Consider the example of an online influencer who built a personal brand around their expertise and passion. By sharing valuable content and engaging with their audience, they attract sponsorship, partnership, and other revenue streams. And at number 5, Keep your commitments by setting an achievement date. Setting a specific date for achieving your goals helps you transition from planning to action. This creates a sense of urgency that helps you prevent procrastination. When you have a concrete deadline, you are more likely to take decisive action and stay on track. Action is what builds confidence, and the more you practice this, the better you get. Imagine you're working on a new project but find yourself stuck in the planning phase. By setting a firm deadline for when you will start the project and complete key milestones, you force yourself to move from thinking to doing. Again, if you're developing a new product, set a specific launch date. This commitment not only drives you to make the necessary steps but also helps you maintain momentum and avoid getting bogged down in endless planning. By integrating these strategies into your life, you will not only increase your income but reclaim your time. And before you go, make sure to subscribe and follow for more tips on personal transformation and self-improvement. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.